Hello, welcome to this channel, where I give you a step-by-step tutorial about online business products. Let's take a look at ActiveCampaign in this video. ActiveCampaign is a powerful email marketing platform with powerful automations, comprehensive analytics, and a robust in-house contact database. With this, paired with its low entry fee, it gives the best value option of all the paid email marketing tools. Before you get too thrilled about ActiveCampaign's high star rating, as shown on screenshot, there are two things you should know. For starters, it lacks a survey generator, so survey-based campaigns are out. Secondly, transactional emails are not supported. Overall, it's a powerful marketing tool that's a fantastic fit for marketers with a little patience and a desire to get the most bang for their buck. ActiveCampaign plans and free trial. ActiveCampaign is one of the most affordable email marketing platforms, with prices starting at just $9 per month, paid annually. It offers 4 price plans, ranging from $9 to $229 per month, when paid annually. This price changes depending on how many contacts you have. Let's take a look at the features of this 4 plans. Light plan. This is just the basic plan with $9 per month. It sends unlimited emails, it has normal email marketing and marketing automation, and has up to 3 users to log in to ActiveCampaign account at the same time. Plus plan. With a monthly price of $49, you have access to this following features together with the Light plan. Lead scoring for contacts. Deep data integrations. Custom branding. Everything from Light plan. Up to 25 users to log in to ActiveCampaign account at the same time. Custom user permissions. Professional plan. With a monthly price of $129, you have access to this following features together with the Light and Plus plan. Site messaging. Attribution. Split testing, or A/B testing, automations. Best time email sending, or predictive sending. Everything from Plus plan. Up to 50 users to log in to ActiveCampaign account at the same time. Enterprise. With a monthly price of $229, you have access to this following features together with other previous plan. Custom mail server domain. Custom reporting. Everything from professional plan. Unlimited users to log in to ActiveCampaign account at the same time. You can also toggle the number of contacts to see the change in monthly fee for each plan as shown on screenshot. Before signing up for one of these paid plans, you can try the free plan, which lasts for 14 days trial through the description, and familiarize yourself with it. How to sign up for a new ActiveCampaign account. To sign up for a new free trial account, go to the ActiveCampaign's free trial page www.activecampaign.com/free. through the description below and utilized it. Enter your email address and click the Try It Free button. You will receive an email from ActiveCampaign and be required to confirm your email. How to create a list. An ActiveCampaign email can only send emails to contacts or people in your lists. A list usually consists of your contacts or people. The contacts should at least have their information such as email address, sometimes also first name, last name, phone number, address, company name, etc. So to create a new list, follow these steps. Step 1. Go to List and click the Add a List button. Step 2. List name. Enter a name for your new list, e.g. newsletter, ebook, white paper, sales leads, or whatever you want. Step 3. Enter your website URL as shown on screenshot. Step 4. List description. A reminder for the contacts who are to receive your emails to know why they're receiving emails from you, and then click Add. Also note that a unique contact can be placed in multiple lists. For example, a contact may be in the basket sports list, baseball gaming list, and organic food list all at the same time. When you send newsletter to each of the specific lists, this contact may get 3 different emails each for a different topic. How to add contact. ActiveCampaign lets you add contacts in many different ways, including import contacts from a CSV file, import contacts with copy and paste, add contacts one by one manually, that is, you import a single contact each time, collect contacts through web forms that you've created using ActiveCampaign and placed on your website or landing pages, collect contacts through web forms that you've created from the integration of other third-party tools, and then have the contacts automatically sent to ActiveCampaign using API. Creating a contact. This method is for creating a single contact, one at a time. Step 1. Go to Contacts on the left side menu, and click the Add a Contact button. Step 2. Enter the basic fields for the new contact, email, first name, last name, and phone number. Click Add. You are done. Importing contacts. This method is to import contacts into ActiveCampaign from a CSV file. Step 1. Go to Contacts and click the Import button. Step 2. Click Import from File, and you'll need to select and upload a CSV file from your computer. Or you may copy and paste your contacts by clicking the Copy and Paste Your Contacts link. And you are done. How to add ActiveCampaign tracking code to website. Step 1. On the left side menu, go to Settings and click Tracking. Enable site tracking. Step 2. Under the Whitelist and Install Code section, enter your domain name or website URL. Step 3. Copy the tracking code. Add this tracking code to the footer section on all pages of your website. When you have a WordPress website, usually in the WordPress theme, there is a footer file that is shared by all the pages. You need to only add the ActiveCampaign tracking code once in the footer file. How to create form. Your website and/or landing page should provide a web form for visitors who want to leave their information, such as email address, to you. Some of the possible reasons include: 1. Your website visitors want to receive newsletter from you on a regular basis. 2. People want you to reply to their inquiries. 3. Users want to receive your ebook. Small business owners grow their user base with list building through the use of web forms on their websites. Step 1. To create a new form, go to Forms and click the Create a Form button. Enter a name for your form. Step 2. Choose a form style. That is, inline form, floating bar, floating box, or modal. Step 3. Select an action. That is, add a tag, email results, subscribe to a list, etc. When you select Add a tag, type a tag name. When you choose email results, enter an email address, e.g., your email, so you can be notified. When you choose Subscribe to a list, specify a list that you've previously created. You may update the text, the fields, the button, and a style of your form. The email address field and a Submit button are compulsory. After the user has successfully submitted the form, you need to provide a feedback. Under On Submit of the Options tab, specify whether you will display a text, such as Thanks for signing up, on the page, or you will redirect the user to a thank you page. Step 4. Click Integrate. Get your web form code from the Integrate Your Form screen. You can copy one of the code formats: Simple Embed, a JavaScript code; Full Embed, an inline CSS. And have the code pasted onto the web page that your form should be displayed. You can install the form code using the WordPress plugin if you have WordPress website. Click Save and Exit. You are done. How to create an email campaign. Step 1. To start creating a regular email campaign, select Standard and click the Next button. Step 2. Select a list which already has contacts added to it. Step 3. Select from one of the pre-built templates including Welcome Email, Abandoned Cart, Single Product, Review and Feedback, Call to Action, App Announcement, and more. Or you can simply build your email from scratch. Step 4. Enter the sender name, sender email address, and email subject. Step 5. Now design how your email layout should look. To design your email, use the predefined blocks including text block, image, button, video, line break, spacer, RSS feed, social links, and HTML block. When you've finished entering the content of your email and design, click Next. Step 6. The campaign summary lets you review and edit all the details of your email campaign including subject, pre-header text, sender email address, that is from list/lists, address, that is, the physical address you're to include in your email, schedule, that is, you may schedule your email to be sent automatically at a later time. You can turn on or off the tracking of open/read, links, replies, Google Analytics, etc. Open/read tracking. Track when a contact opens or reads your email. Link tracking. Track when a contact clicks a link in your email. Reply tracking. Track when a contact replies to your email. Google Analytics. Allow data integration with Google Analytics. You can send a test email to yourself. Enter your email address and click Send Test. Click Email Client Preview and/or Desktop Preview to view a preview of your email. Step 7. Finally, review and fix all the potential issues reported in the spam check section before sending the email to your contacts. Doing this can prevent your email getting caught in the junk mailbox of their email programs. When you believe everything is ready, click Send Now. That is it. How to create an autoresponder. To create an autoresponder email, the process is similar to creating an email campaign. Now let's do steps. Step 1. Select autoresponder and click the Next button. Step 2. Select a list. Step 3. Select a pre-built template or build your email from scratch. Step 4. Enter the sender name, sender email address, and email subject. Step 5. Design how your email layout. Step 6. At campaign summary screen, edit the settings, if you need, and/or click Finish. How to create a new automation. A trigger is a condition which must be met before any action in an automation can occur. Let's create the automation workflow. Step 1. To create an automated email campaign, select Automated and click the Next button. Step 2. Select Subscribe to a list and click Continue. Select a specific list, or leave it as default. That is, the trigger applies to all lists. Assume you want to notify your salesperson to follow up with this contact. When a new contact is added to a list, perhaps the contact signs up to a free demo of your product/soft. Step 3. You'll select Send a notification email and specify the email address of your salesperson. Step 4. Enter the from name, from email, and subject. Type a short message. You may click Preview Message to see a preview of the message your salesperson will receive when a new contact gets added to the list. Step 5. Click Add. As a good practice, end this automation to the end of your automation workflow. This is your newly created and simple automation workflow as shown on screenshot. Step 6. Finally, click Active to enable your automation workflow. Done. What are triggers automation? Triggers are conditions for any subsequent automated actions to begin. Triggers, which are specific to those actions, must be met. ActiveCampaign has made the following triggers available. 1. Get this automation examples list, which reveals examples that can be applied to your automated email marketing campaigns. 2. Subscribes to a list. An automation begins when a contact subscribes to a specific list or all lists. When opt-in confirmation is enabled, the automation will not begin until the contact confirms his/her email address. 3. Unsubscribes from a list. An automated action begins when a contact unsubscribes from any list or when a contact unsubscribes from one specific list. 4. Makes a purchase. An automation begins when a contact makes a purchase. You can choose whether the automation begins on any purchase or when a specific product is purchased. Deep data e-commerce integration is required for this automation to work. 5. Abandons cart. An automation begins when a contact abandons a cart. You can trigger the automation to send a specific amount of time after cart abandonment, when specific products are abandoned, or when a target cart value has been abandoned. To set up this automation, deep data e-commerce integration is required. These are few examples of many more triggers. You can play around with this variations as time goes on, since you already learnt the basics. I hope with this step-by-step guide has helped you with a lot of information to get started. Check the description to sign up for active